Just heard a delivery man come to our door. And there it is. Parts Avatar. All right, here we have the confirmation delivery by email. Well done, email. Its service is excellent, always accurate. And so we'll take a look at what we've got inside. This is a ABS brake hub for a 2018 Toyota Corolla IM. And that's very nice, very nice. Seems good. It's nicely wrapped, covered, protected, well protected, nicely wrapped. And the thing about these brake hubs is that the sensor is here and it's on the hub. It's not on the wiring mechanism that comes. And so the mistake I made was ordering the wiring mechanism thinking that the sensor was on it, but it's on the actual hub. It's connected right to it. This is a large, beautiful piece. It's Avatar, well packaged, safely boxed. Very happy, very pleased. Now to have the mechanic install it. Looking forward to getting it done.